Hi guys, mabuhay, bonjour, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm back with another unboxing slash first impression video. Well, actually for this one, I wanted to be a little different. Rather than just showing you what I got, I want to talk about my thought process when it comes to buying designer bags, as well as how I got this particular bag. So a little story time, some specs concerning this bag, and also I would like to show you how it can be worn, well, at least how I think of wearing it, and also what fits inside. Will be quite a long video, but I'm going to try my best to shorten it as much as possible. And of course, for those of you who are new, don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you know when I post a new video. And now that we've gotten to know each other a little bit better, let's go to the unboxing. Yup, it's a Louis Vuitton. So I'm going to show you what inside this paper box. So first and foremost, I have this box here that I've actually unboxed previously. So I'm going to put a card just right up there where you can check what is this product. If you're interested for me to give you my first impression, don't hesitate to leave a comment either on this video or on that unboxing video. Okay, so without further ado, let's head on to the item. So first, I'm just going to show you what I have received. So the receipt is in here. So that's one thing. And then, I have received an envelope. I don't know what is it. Ooh-la. Just going to show you. So that's the envelope. And what's inside? Oh, wow! Chère Roma, merci de votre visite avec votre mari. À bientôt. Bisous, Weiling. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. It's a nice letter from my SA in Louis Vuitton Antwerp. So her name is Weiling, and she is one of the best SA that you can have. Very patient and very caring, and she really knows the history of Louis Vuitton. She explained everything concerning the perfumes, concerning the bags, concerning the canvases, and so on and so on. And most of all, what I like about her is that she, like I've mentioned earlier, very patient, in a way that when I wanted to try certain handbags or in a different color or a different leather, whatever, she always picked them up and give it to me. So really, thumbs up first. So for those of you who are maybe here in Belgium or here in Europe, passing by in Belgium, and maybe deciding to go to Louis Vuitton in Antwerp, ask for Weiling. She's really a very great SA. Okay, so in this box, I actually have already unboxed it. So I have two boxes in here. Just going to show you. I have to, and you'll understand why later on. So I have already unboxed them in a previous video, so that is the real unboxing. So if you want, you can check it out. I'm going to put the card as well. And now I'm just going to show you what it is. So I'm going to start with the big box first. So open it like that. Ooh, it's the magnetic one. There you go. I have the ribbon and the card that went in it. Okay, so this is what's on the big box, in the big box, and then we're going to open this one, and we have another dust bag. Okay, so without further ado, so that's the dust bag, and this is the beautiful piece that I got. So this is the Palm Spring Mini in the Canvas monogram. Such a cutie. And then just to show you what's in this pouch, so as I separated them and these are the black straps that goes with the handbag. Quick story time. So how I got this, I actually went to the Louis Vuitton boutique in Antwerp, and I specifically wanted to buy this item in the boutique because I have read and watched a lot of videos on YouTube that whenever they buy it online and it arrives at their place, there are a lot of, you know, problems with the bag and they send it back. And my goal here is really to purchase the bag and not to send it back. So that's why I wanted to buy this one in the boutique. But of course, before I went to the boutique, I've contacted first the Louis Vuitton customer care service, I think. Yeah, that's it. Well, the headquarters. And I have asked them if they can tell me if this bag is available in one of the boutiques here in Belgium, because we have 3 boutiques. There's one in Brussels, in Antwerp, and in Knoop. And at that time, I also already booked an appointment at the Louis Vuitton Antwerp, and I wanted to know if they have this available in the boutique. And the gentleman told me that there was availability of this beauty in the boutique, and I was very, very happy to hear that. And then I contacted my SA, and then I've asked her if they indeed have this in the boutique and if it's possible to check it out. So I have been able to score this on the day of my appointment, and I have checked everything out, that everything is perfect, in good condition, meaning that there are no stitches, bad stitching, that the canvas is perfect, and also the lining is perfect. And as for what I can see and observe, everything is in good condition. Even also the zipper also is in great condition. This one is actually the new version of the Palm Spring, because as you know, the old version was the one that hasn't got the exposed zipper, and that one has a lot of defects. So that's why Louis Vuitton has decided to create the new version with the exposed zipper to prevent those damages. And this one, I've checked it out. This one is made in France on the 2nd week of November 2020. So like I've mentioned earlier, I wanted to talk to you about my thought process when it comes to buying designer handbags. So in this case, I have chosen this specific item for different reasons. So the first reason is the cost per wear. So I tend to buy things thinking how many times I'm going to use them, because if I use them often, it will be a good value of the price and how many times I use them. So the cost per wear will really be one of the major things that makes me decide if I really want to buy that specific product. Second thing is the material as well as the durability. As we all know, Louis Vuitton has great materials, even though this past few years sometimes they lack, you know, the finishing touches, but in general the materials are great. The canvas, that's why it's very, very popular, because the canvas material is really exceptional, and the durability as well. Even though it rains, sunny weather and so on, very, very good material. So that is the reason why I opted as well for the canvas material. And then the third thing is, when I choose something, I think about trendy or classic. Trendy, I like it from time to time because yeah, some pop in my collection. But to be honest, I'm more of the classic person, meaning that I want something that I know will last for quite a long time, meaning that if it will be something that I can wear right now and I can still wear in 5 years time, in 10 years time, so it stays classic and not just one shot. So it kind of like goes also with the cost per wear idea. So that is the third thing. And then the fourth thing is, of course, it has to match my lifestyle, as well as the bag has to be versatile. So I tend to buy my handbags by thinking of, okay, what do I have as clothes and shoes? That is very important for me. And also when I say versatility, for example, with this bag, I can use it with different ways or methods. I can use it as a, you know, really a handbag, top handbag. I can use this as a backpack, and I can also use it as a crossbody or some even shoulder bag. I'm going to show that to you afterwards. So with just one handbag, I can use it or wear it for different types. So that's also versatility for me. That's very important. And one last thing is the potential retail value, because we all know Louis Vuitton has a very, very good resale price. Even though, to be honest, I don't really tend to sell my handbags, but you never know, never say never. So I know that with the Louis Vuitton, they really have a good resale price. So that's also one thing to consider. So now I am going to show you how it can be worn.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you different ways that you can wear the Palm Springs Mini. In here, I am showing you the backpack version, and I am actually using it on the shortest strap length. Just for info, I'm quite petite. I'm 5'2", so 1.60 m. So yeah, and then in here, I am showing you that I'm taking off one of the strap, because the remaining strap, I'm going to put the bottom clasp on the other side of the D-ring, and in this way you can actually use the bag as a crossbody. So this is the second way to wear this Palm Springs Mini, is by crossbody. And then third way is by taking off the clasp from the lower D key. I'm putting it on the upper D key, so both of the clasps are on the upper D key, and you can see I am wearing it as a shoulder bag. So this is the third way that you can wear this handbag. Also, same placement of the strap, you can wear it as a crossbody, and to be honest, this will be the way that I'm going to wear this handbag. And then lastly, either you take off the strap or you can leave it and you can use it as a top handle handbag. And here you can see what can fit the Palm Springs Mini. So here I'm putting on the mini pochette accessoire or any catch-all, also good. And then my key clay. And then the 6 key holder. And then I'm putting a wallet, so my classic Chanel wallet. A hand lotion and a hand sanitizer, and then my phone. This one is the iPhone 10, and you will see that I still have a lot of space. There you go.
And that brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully it didn't talk your ears off, and thank you for watching and making it to the end of this video. Please let me know if any of my tips were helpful or if you plan on implementing them for your next purchase. And also don't forget to give your comment and feedbacks down below, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hopefully I will see you next time. Bye!
Música